Now I would request Mr. Ravi Trivedi from Memtrix Technologies LLP.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Ravi Trivedi, representing Memtrix Technologies, and we are a company who are dealing into membrane manufacturing. Thank you, Milind sir, for giving us an opportunity to be a supporting partner for this wonderful event, and I heartily welcome all of you for being present. So, zero-day crisis. Anyone of you can let me know what is zero-day crisis? Sir?
No water.
Sorry?
Day of no water, probably.
Day of no water, correct. So, zero-day crisis is a day when any country is at a critical stage where all the water resources will be in a depletion stage. There will be no water inside the taps and people will be struggling to get a single drop of water. So this is the list of countries who are already on the zero-day crisis. And can you, these are the 12 countries, and can you guess what is the 13th rank? Which country is at the 13th rank? Yes. So India is facing extremely high water stress. So we can say that it is vulnerable to day zero crisis. You can see over here, it is marked in red, which is extremely high. Now, what is the reason for this? What are the reasons why India is in highly stressed, extremely high water stress region? So any sufficiently advanced technology is equivalent to magic, but somehow that magic is not working in India, and there are few reasons for the same. Acceptance to the new technologies. Now there are many great and good technologies prevailing in the worldwide. Like you can see in America, there are many technologies prevailing there. Some say oxidation or any advanced technologies, but they are not in India. Secondly, limited or less space. As you all know that space is the biggest challenge in India. So, for example, any building is there in any city, but the builder has used up all areas and they don't have any area left for a STP or an ETP or water treatment plants. So limited or less space. Then comes the material availability. Now the moment you think about advanced technology, the first thing you will require is the material for the technology, and you will find out that that material is either available in China, America, Germany, France, elsewhere, but not available in India, so it becomes costly. So the fourth burning point is the cost effectiveness of the technology. Right. So long back when we started working on electrocoagulation technology, so at that time we were planning to import the technology, and we find that okay, we are getting 10 KLD 10,000 liter plant for 15 lakh rupees. So with all custom duties and all, when we go and sell it to an end client, we will be charging them 20-25 lakhs. So 10,000 liter plant cost at 20-25 lakhs is totally not possible. Nobody is going to accept that price. So to solve all these issues, we started Memtrix Technologies. So Memtrix Technologies is a purely membrane manufacturing company. So we manufacture hollow fiber membranes. So those are called MBR membranes also. So till date, you can see many MNCs, many multinational companies are dealing with hollow fiber membranes, so-called MBR membranes, and people are also importing it from China. But nobody started to manufacture the same in India. I don't know why, but it was very easy, but they don't have the sources. And the sourcing it out from China was very easy in comparison to go into the manufacturing hassle. So people were not investing in manufacturing MBR membranes. So today we'll be going through company history, Memtrix company history, the manufacturing, Memtrix products, areas of applications, what new we have in our basket for the future products, services that we provide, and why us. So our company history. History is a very deep word, but yes, we are just a 2.5-year-old company. We started Memtrix Technologies in 2022 with a vision of manufacturing the MBR membranes and to get out from the hassle to import it from China. And On the other side, supporting to Modi ji for making India policy. We are the team of 5 partners, 5 experienced members who have different experience in the different sectors, all based out from water treatment industry. So our mission is to provide the top quality membranes that can give a tough competition to the multinational company membranes available in the market, and we are through with that problem. Currently, we are working with municipalities, industries, hotels, hospitals, and we are providing membranes to those companies. And our vision is to continue shaping the future of the water treatment, water and wastewater treatment, by developing different kinds of membranes which can help to filter out water from, say, normal drinking water to the tough to treat water, wastewaters. Yeah, that's. So before I could explain how we do it, what we do, a small video too on our manufacturing process, our factory video. This is how the hollow fiber membranes are made. So it's basically an extrusion process, kind of a coating process. So once the fiber is made, we divide it into small reels. From there it is taken into the cutting and finishing of the fibers. So from there it can be taken into the membrane potting. So this is a potting process. So how we manufacture? So we, based on NIPS technology, we manufacture these hollow fibers back in Ahmedabad factory. So these fibers are reinforced, called reinforced hollow fiber PVDF fibers. In short, it known as RPVDF fibers. So they are coating of a PVDF on the top of PET threads. That the PET tubes are there on which the coating of PVDF takes place. So PET thread gives the strength to the fibers, and PVDF coating helps in the filtration part. So we manufacture membranes from 0.05 to 0.1 micron pore size. Yes, the membranes are 100% made in India, and these are out to in type of filtration. So these fibers are cut in different size and made in the form of membrane. Eventually that membrane helps into the filtration part. So talking to our production capacity, India is a huge market for MBR membranes. Like back in 2015 when we started, very few companies were there who knows what MBR are. In 2022 we find out that the market is very huge. When we started in 2022, we were at 2000 square meter per month capacity. After 1 year, we were at 5000 square meter per month capacity, and currently we are operating at 15,000 square meter a month. So that's what the current requirement of MBR membranes in India are. And still at 15,000 square meter per month, we are falling short of the supplying the membranes. So how the idea came to us for manufacturing this fiber. So we didn't went to China. We were not dependent on them to get the technology transferred to India. So we contacted CSM CRI. So it's a Central Board of Central Salt Marine Chemical Research Institute based out in Bhavnagar. So we approached them and we asked them, discussed with them that we want to go ahead with manufacturing this kind of hollow fiber membranes. So they helped us. We signed an NDA with them, and now we are working together with CSM CRI to develop the membranes. Not only the reinforced PVDF fibers for this ATP STPs, but yes, our future products are also, we are into discussion with them, which will help them to treat water for drinking water as well as the wastewaters. So we have already signed